Okay, great. Hi, everybody. I won't be able to see the chat again, but let me just share my video so that you can see my face. Hi, I am currently in outskirts of Agra, so that's why there was a bit of delay in joining in. Sorry for that, and we will begin in a second. Just a minute. Okay. So, are you able to see the screen? If yes, hit yes in the comment box, in the chat box. Okay, great. So as I think Suraj introduced, I will take time and brag about myself a little bit more. Okay, I am Sahil Shah. I was part of one of the best institutes in Gujarat. So I did my engineering from DICT, which is engineering college, and I did my engineering in ICT. After that, I was lucky enough to be in part of a incubator, which is in IIM Ahmedabad. So that helped me shape what I am today. So I am from Ahmedabad. That is the first thing. Second thing is about colleges which I have been associated with. I love tea or coffee, whichever is good. At any place, I discuss a lot of things over that. Most of my learnings or with people happens over that thing. I was very active in the theater group in my college days, and that taught me a lot to how to get things done with people, and that also gave me a sense of team leading and other things in the place. Social media is something which I love a lot, and I am founder of NetSaves Media Company and Hungryto. Recently, we are also moving on to another project, which is a big one. So a small brief about NetService and Hungry to start with. So NetService is a social media marketing agency. Mainly we do digital things online, and we have worked with government of Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, and we have 40 plus clients in B2B and B2C segments. If you know Vibrant Gujarat, Spree Summits, which are Startup Summit, Agriculture Summit, and those kind of things, that's were marketed by us. We were also instrumental in taking care of the whole social media for Andhra Pradesh government from the CMO for around 28 months. That's why somebody said that he is from Vijayawada. That's so I was very much attached to that because I lived there for around 28 months there. So Hungryto is a second product, which is a food discovery platform, which has more than 120,000 followers across the platforms. We have been very active in, I think, what you call Instagram a lot, and we have around 57,000 followers there. The best part about Hungryto is we have built a community there. So what I think Suraj is trying to build around people who are learning currently. So he has started well with this first webinar, and same ways we started with Hungryto to build the community. And today we are a community of around 120K. We do offline events also called Hungryto Food Fest and others. Okay, this was just to give a brief that Suraj has called the right guy to teach you something, so that he is also assured and you are also assured that what you are going to do. So mainly if you all want to study or what you all want to do is one of the biggest risks as an entrepreneur was one thing which everybody takes or doesn't take is कि कोई risk नहीं लेना ठीक है. So which is the worst part that people don't take risk in whatever they have to do. So we did a lot of risk taking and that's why we are here. Okay. Other thing is why we are learning Canva today is Canva is a very basic tool. Okay. So we should always provide value with the resources that we have and make sure that we love it. So most of the time what happens with when we are dealing with graphics and those kind of things is people want always to make graphics from a designer और they are hunting for designers कि भाई मेरा logo एकदम set हो मेरी ये चीज set हो वो हो लेकिन हमेशा ऐसा possible नहीं है. You won't be able to do that every time. Okay, so how many of you have ever tried to create graphics on your own? So I know. Okay, Shivangi has tried. Great. Anybody else? Vaishnavi has tried. Okay. Nisha, Vrushik. Okay, great. So you all have tried. Okay, Shama has also tried. Great. So you all have tried making graphics. Okay. But then at the end, whenever you face things like this, you will have to keep in mind that. So I started my journey around 6 years back. And I was using Canva in my initial days. When I was in IIM Ahmedabad also, we used those things. And through the time we have understood, we also have a team of around 8 graphic designers, just graphic designer and photographer. But sometimes we feel, हाँ ठीक है, चीजें अगर नहीं बन रही तो we can create them in Canva also. So make that as a habit that if you learn these all things, it will always help you in future. Though you will be working with designers and I think you will know. So what is the exit ROI of the things that you are trying to eye? Okay. Most of the designers say this word when you go to them. So that is why we are going to learn Canva today. Okay. So we are going to learn Canva with the help of Freepik, Unsplash, Infogram, and other things. Okay. So Canva is, as I said, designer's best friend. So can you all just open your screens and open Canva in that? Okay. I will also open mine and open Canva in it. Once you do, hit me yes in the comment box, chat box, sorry. Okay, done. Shivangi has done, Shruti has done. Okay. I'm sharing my full screen. You will see a lot of things. So are you able to see Canva here? Okay. So whenever you log in into Canva, Canva is basically a tool which is used by, let me just come out. It will be full light. Okay. Yeah. So Canva is a tool which is basically used by entrepreneurs in the first place. A lot of designers are also using it. A lot of people who are into digital marketing are also using it. Okay. So another survey, quick survey, so that I understand you all. So most of you are students in bachelor's or master's. If you can write it down, what degree are you in or what are you doing? So I will try to teach you Canva accordingly. So अगर आप लोग कॉलेज में हो अभी भी तो I will teach you how to make presentations in Canva, how to make proposals in Canva and those kind of things. Okay, we have a BTech student. Prince is in bachelor's. Vidya is bachelor's. UG in ICT at AIE. It is Ahmedabad University, right? Electronics and Communication BTech, Mechanical Engineering BEC. Okay, BEC bachelor's. Okay, BA Fashion. Okay, you will if somebody is in fashion designing, I think you will love Canva because you will be able to present a lot of good things there. Okay. Okay, we have people from different background. Great. So let us begin now. So first thing that you all need to give me is what are the use cases of designing in your day-to-day life. So most of the things that we currently do is we create stories. How many of you have created stories using any of the tools? Hit me yes or no in the comment box. It is going to be a two-way interaction. Okay. So आप लोग बोर ना हो जाओ, मैं भी बोर ना हो जाऊँ. Okay. I do blogging. Okay, stories and stories मतलब Instagram stories की बात कर रहा हूँ. Instagram stories, Facebook stories, WhatsApp stories are also very relevant in nowadays. People use WhatsApp a lot. Okay, okay. So few people have used created story. Have you created it using any tools? So there are video tools also. There are other tools also. Instagram stories directly. Okay, okay. Shivang is already using Canva. Okay, great. So we will begin that in the first place so that you know if I write stories, okay, there are story heads, then are there story, then we can create Facebook stories and Instagram story. We will start with Instagram story. Okay. So you will get a lot of templates in Canva. Okay. Let me explain you Canva in the first place. Canva is an inventory in a way. And they have created a lot of templates in the first place for all the relevant things which are there. So suppose for Instagram they have the size and everything fixed, and then they have created different templates of their size, that size which is there. Okay. Other thing that they have done is they have tried to make relevant information or relevant things in those sectors. Okay, so suppose you are making Facebook story, so what are the things that you will need? Or suppose if you are making Instagram story, what are the things that you will need? What are the elements? And everything is there. It is a drag and drop designing tool in short. Okay. So if you want to create LinkedIn poster, you can create. If you want to create LinkedIn thumbnail, you can. Facebook thumbnail, you can. Facebook graphics, you can. Ads graphic, you can. Facebook cover photo, you can. All the things. What happens is, so see, Facebook cover photo size. Okay, this is one of the biggest search which people do. So what is the size in which I have to create a Facebook cover photo? So how Canva is good or how it helps is it gives you a ready-made template in which you have to just push things. So the size and dimensions are already set. So if I want to make a Twitter, okay, Twitter header, Twitter post, everything is there. So Twitter header, the size is it's a 1:3 ratio. Okay, so here the size will be I think 1500 cross. If you search, it is 1500 cross 500. Okay, so that is one thing that you all should understand. How many of you know the dimensions and everything, or you have heard about it? If you have, hit yes or no in the chat box. Okay, Srishti has and Sonic has. Pardon. Okay, so you know about dimensions, Shivangi. The thing is, everything out there in the market is about dimension. So if you say Instagram mostly used to work on 1:1 ratio in the beginning. Now they are into 4:5 ratio also sometimes. Then if you say for landscape, Instagram had landscape things which they began in, I think, around 2 years back, when you were able to post in different dimensions also. That was done. And then when you see Instagram story which is into 16:9 ratio, okay, 16:9 ratio. So those kind of things. How many people understand about ratios, or how many people have heard about it? Okay, so I think a lot of people have. So that is the major problem in designing. Okay, so you create one thing and then you have to resize it for all the other things. So when you do it in Photoshop or all other kind of thing, it becomes very difficult, very difficult for you. Okay, so now today what I am trying to do is make your life easier. Okay, in that case, so if you want to create a Twitter header, okay, we have Twitter. So don't judge me by the things that come on the feed, because I follow a lot of different things. Don't worry. It will be mostly political or something to do with COVID in current times. Okay. So when you go to the feed, okay, let me click on my profile. So this is the header. Okay. And this is a specific size of the header which is to be created. So that you can create in Canva. If I click here, it will give me options. Okay. So how many are with me till now? Are you clear? We can get different kind of options in Canva. Okay, great. So I will just go through other things. So you all, okay. In social media, Canva is having all the templates. So if you want to create Instagram post, Instagram story, animated social media post, Facebook cover, okay. All the sizes are set. Instagram story highlight. So how many people know about highlight? Instagram highlights. Okay, few of them, most of them. I will just show you. Sorry, Instagram खोलना था, Hungry to खोल गया. Okay, हमारा भी highlight अच्छा होगा या नहीं मेरे को ज़्यादा idea नहीं है, लेकिन let me just test. I don't open Hungry on regular basis, but I do check it out. Okay, so we don't have that. पहले हम लोग करते थे, now we don't. So कभी कभी देखोगे ना तो कुछ अच्छा होगा ना, जैसे मार्वलस में है तो उसका हाईलाइट बना हुआ है, ये हाइलाइट्स में सेक्शन में आता है, बट वी डोंट कीप द आइकन्स देयर. ओके, इफ यू सी अ इन्फ्लुएंसर और समथिंग, आई थिंक इफ यू डिजिटल दीपक देखा है किसी ने? डिजिटल प्रतीक थे शायद, प्रतीक ने अच्छा कर रखा था. हाँ, सो उन्होंने हाइलाइट्स में शायद यूट्यूब और वो सब चीजें डाली थी. हाँ, दीज आर दी हाइलाइट्स. ओके, these kind of things you can create. Digital pratik, yes. I'm not very good with those things. So you can create these highlights. They have options, they have all the things ready. Okay, you will see a lot of templates on the left hand side and you can create those. Okay, so that is highlight. Then you can create blog graphics also, okay, which are used inside the blog. YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail. I think somebody wrote in the chat box also, they are using YouTube thumbnail a lot. Okay, so then you go, then you have Pinterest post and everything. If I click on select all, I will get everything in detail. Okay, see, this is a library. So we have videos which I think we will go into a bit. Not, I won't dive down into it. Okay, but these are the social media things. Okay, you can go on the right side, you can see you have everything. टम्बलर का ग्राफिक बनाना है वो भी बन जाएगा, यूट्यूब का थंबनेल बनाना है वो भी बन जाएगा, चैनल का पूरा आर्ट बोर्ड बनाना है वो भी बन जाएगा, स्नैपचैट के फिल्टर्स बनाने हैं वो भी हो जाएगा, लिंक्डइन का बैनर, टम्बलर का बैनर, ट्विच का बैनर. ट्विच, हाउ मेनी पीपल नो अबाउट ट्विच? It's a gaming platform, live gaming, SoundCloud ka banner and those kind of things, everything is there. Okay, other people, those of you are into MBA or are into colleges and you have to give presentations on regular basis, you can create presentations. Okay, I just love this feature. The presentation that you are currently seeing, the black one which I created, this one is also created in Canva. Okay, so I will show you my presentation. So we create a lot of presentations in Canva. They are into both the ratios, 16:9 and 4:3. This is the 4:3 one. Okay, a lot of you would be making your resumes. Okay, you have templates for resumes also. Okay, it's a simple drag and drop thing. Other thing which comes to is making reports. Okay, you in MBA you make a lot of reports, so there are so many reports in Canva that you won't have to repeat a report if you are doing your engineering also and MBA also, both of them, and you won't have to report you won't repeat a template in the whole thing. So there are different things which are there in the templates. Okay, go. This is just I'm giving you a tour and then we will start creating one or two things. Okay, So this is just, we are hiring one. Okay, then there are different things. It was just a single page thing. So they have reports and other things. In few they have different pages. So see, suppose there are 10 pages. Okay, and I will say apply all 10. So it will apply, and then I have to edit them. Okay, I will come on the editing afterwards. But you have to go explore Canva. You will see a lot of templates around. Okay, understand that part. So Canva is a home ground of a lot of templates. Okay, so that is a major thing that you all have to understand. If you want to create anything, you have a template ready in Canva. So this is something why I called it designer's best friend, is because sometimes what happens is you need some inspiration, because we are not from design schools. At least I was not. I had a few aesthetic right in the first place, so I knew कि भाई ये design यहाँ सही लग रही है, ये नहीं लग रही. But I am not somebody who did a course there. So मेरे को कलर कॉम्बिनेशन और वो सब चीजें ज्यादा नहीं समझ आती. So I can use this template because I, अगर मैं ये ढूंढने जाऊंगा कि ये कौन सा शेड है ऑरेंज का जो ये ग्रे के साथ जाएगा, तो it will become very difficult for me. But if I create these templates and those kind of things, I have aesthetics right in the first place. Okay, so that is number one. Remember that. Okay. Okay, so these are the things which I showed. Highlights आपके बन सकते हैं. जैसे ये सेम डिजाइन में उन्होंने 6 हाईलाइट बना रखे हैं. ठीक है. So you can simply drag and drop those things here, or just click and they will come. Okay, and if you want to change anything, you can. I will show you how in the coming time. Okay, so if you have questions, anybody is having question, you can post them in Q&A segment. Everybody is able to see the Q&A segment. Okay, if yes, hit yes. Okay, cool, great. So if you have any questions, you can put them there. Okay. So what is something that you want to create me in the first place? I showed you. घर के दर्शन हो गए. अभी आप बताओ कि ड्राइंग रूम पहले देखना है, डाइनिंग रूम पहले देखना है, बालकनी पहले देखना है. So hit me up with any of the designs that you want me to show you. Okay, Shaunak said posters. Anybody else with any opinion that what you want me to create? Video stories for Insta. Okay, Shivani, we will cover that also. Logos. Okay, posters is second person with posters, story covers, logos. Okay, so I think we have 2-3 things. We will be able to cover only one or 2 or 3 things in the whole scenario, because I think it is Suraj, we have time till 6, right?
We can continue till 6:30 if we want to. No worries.
Okay, great. I will just try to teach them all the things which I have. So number one thing, I am not a very good designer. Okay, so that is a basic funda which you all should understand. Okay, YouTube thumbnail. I was just kind of, see, this is something which I was trying to create my LinkedIn thumbnail by my own. अगर आप मेरा काम देखोगे ना, तो आपको होगा कि यार ये तो बहुत बेकार आदमी है. ठीक है. So this was something which was, then I was using other templates. Okay, so I created this on my own, and then there are the templates which are there recently used. You can go through them. Okay, so let us try to create. Somebody said story. We will try with logos. Okay, we have a section for whole logo. Okay, so I don't know if you all know about it, but Instagram, Canva is not a basically tool for creating logos, but it gives you options in this way. Okay, other thing is when you go, you select a template and then you can change it. But these are the logos which you will see around. Okay, you will have to create them. Then there's food and those kind of things. It's a very basic thing for Canva. Okay, and you will be able to see that. So I will skip the logos part. I will come to the poster part, which is an interesting thing for people who are creating posters. Okay, so must chai ki khushbu aa rahi. Anybody drinks tea or is currently drinking tea? It's already 5:30. So chai or coffee, anybody having that? If yes, hit yes. Okay. Shama is having. Okay, Sonak is having tea. Daljit is. Oh, Shivang is from Dubai. It's 4 p.m. Dubai is, I think, 1.5 hours back. Currently drinking. Okay. Great. So see, for posters, one of the major things that most of the people do is they try to get inspiration from. Okay. So suppose you all know about Behance. Behance. कभी किसी ने Behance use किया है? ठीक. So if you want to go into designing, it is the best place to get inspiration from. Other thing is Pinterest, but I don't know what problem Pinterest has with me or my laptop. I'm not able to open Pinterest. Okay. So what happens is this is another tool. अगर खुल जाए तो बढ़िया है. हाँ खुल गया. चलो सही है. लॉगिन तो नहीं करना है अभी. Dismiss. I will log in into it. Let it continue. I will show what I do technically. I am just spilling my secrets out so that you all also can learn from that. Continuous Sahil, please log in. Okay. Till that time, I will show you another tool which is FreePick. Have you ever heard about FreePick? Anyone? Anyone has heard about FreePick? No. Okay. So FreePick is a graphics source resources tool. Okay. What happens with FreePick is if you want anything, a graphic or a small logo or things which are required in elements, you can find them on FreePick. Other thing which you can do on FreePick is I use it for inspiration. Okay. So I want to create social media post for I think restaurants. Okay. Yes. Restaurants की spelling क्या होती है? I'm very bad with spelling. Can somebody help me out in the chat box? Restaurants. Okay, great. जैसे मेरे को आता था just तुम लोग को थोड़ा engage करने के लिए. I am very bad with writing. See, you have a lot of things here. You just scroll this. ये मेरा Facebook है या मेरा Instagram है, ठीक है? ना मेरे को कभी कुछ सीखना होता है, कभी देखना होता है ना, मैं ये सब चीजें ही करता रहता हूँ. So this is where I spend a lot of time if I'm going to design something. So what are we going to do? We are going to design posters. Okay, posters किस चीज के posters करने हैं? चलो motivational का option दे रहा है, तो I will click on motivational posters. Okay, see, you'll get a lot of templates. You get a lot of inspiration. ठीक है, अब आपको क्या बनाना है, कैसा बनाना है, वो आपके ऊपर है. ठीक है, but this is a place where you can get inspiration. And if you get these kind of things, you can directly download them. It's free. If I click on this free one, okay, अपने आप ही वो free चीजें आ जाएगी. ठीक है, these are all free templates. You can download PNG, you can download JPEG. If you know AI, which is Adobe Illustrator, you can do that also. So from here we take elements, and here we take inspiration. Same ways for this thing. Okay, what I will do is posters. ठीक है, गेट अ लॉट ऑफ देम. अब आपको किस में पोस्टर्स चाहिए? मूवी के चाहिए या फिर मोटिवेशन? ठीक है, इंस्पिरेशनल. यू सी, सो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस. आई एम हियर टू टीच यू प्रोसेस. बाकी टूल तो आप कहीं भी सर्च करोगे ना, हाउ टू लर्न कैनवा, वो आपको मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, ये प्रोसेस होती है जिसके कारण लोगों की डिजाइन अच्छी होती है. यू हैव टू कंज्यूम दिस ऑल थिंग्स. Okay, you will see graphic design, post and everything. Now comes the tricky part. So क्या करना है कि yes we can, I will show you how it's on. So what can be done is आपको ये पोस्टर सही लग रहा है या ये पोस्टर सही लग रहा है, ठीक है. So just keep in mind कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा बनाना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है कि हमको कैनवा में जाना है, ठीक है. और कैनवा में अभी मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें खोल रखी है, तो let me just stop few things. Behance is also a very good tool for inspiration. Okay, you all can go there. So we will close down this. We will close down this. Okay, yeah, we have posters here. Okay, so अब है कि भाई इवेंट पोस्टर्स का ऑप्शन है मेरे पास. ठीक है, आप लोग जाओगे तो आपके पास अलग इवेंट, जैसे अपने कॉलेज में अलग अलग इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं. ठीक है, आई यूज टू क्रिएट पोस्टर्स फ्रॉम दिस ओनली. और आपको हर एक चीज के पोस्टर्स ऑलमोस्ट सब चीजों के मिल ही जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो सपोज अभी अर्थ डे था, अपना एनवायरमेंटल डे था, एंड ठीक है, यू कैन क्रिएट पोस्टर्स बाय. तो अगर मैं ये लेता हूँ, ठीक है, सो ये यहाँ आ गया. ठीक है, आई कैन गो हियर, एडिट थिंग्स. ओके, साहिल शाह इज टेस्टिंग. Okay, are you able to see this? We can change this. Okay, और भी करना है तो और भी बहुत सारे posters हैं. It's very simple drag and drop thing. Okay, for you all. We have other elements also. कि अगर see this is a paid one. Okay, so I can delete it. I can use trees here in a way. So these are photos are there which are easily used. Okay, other thing which I can do is I can have elements. Okay, कि अगर ये फोटो है तो फोटो के लिए मेरे को फ्रेम भी चाहिएगा हमेशा. ठीक है, सो ऐसे भी ये फोटो ड्रैग ड्रॉप करूंगा तो ये भी यहीं आ जाएगा. आर यू एबल टू सी? आई कैन जस्ट मेक इट स्मॉल, मेक इट बिग, whichever size I want I can do that. Okay, I can increase, decrease, those kind of things can be there. All the functionalities are there. Okay, it's a drag and drop thing. But what I will try to do is I will try to create a frame for that poster. Okay, so what is there? There are grids. Okay, so let me find a good grid. चलो ये वाले नहीं है. Let me see if I can get a good frame. This is good. Okay, what we will do is ये फोटो है, ठीक है, ये फोटो को उठा के ड्रैग ड्रॉप कर दिया मैंने बस, ठीक है, फ्रेम में डाल दिया. Yes, we can use the pictures from earlier. So okay, we can, a lot of you जो फ्रेंड्स की बर्थडे होती है तब पता है लोग बनाते हैं, यानी अपन सूरज है ना अपना नाम, SU, ठीक है, पोस्टर बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा लेकिन वी कैन डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आल्सो. व्हाट आई विल डू नाउ इज, सूरज का हमने S और U लिया है क्योंकि पोस्टर थोड़ा बड़ा हो रहा था. आई कैन गो टू माई अपलोड्स, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ फालतू कंटेंट. दिस इज मी. ओके, आई पुट माई सेल्फ हियर, आई हैव टू जस्ट ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप इट, तो मैं S में क्रिएट हो जाऊंगा. ठीक है, अब उसको चेंज करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है, छोटा करना है, क्योंकि मेरी शक्ल नहीं दिख रही थी. ठीक है, आई कैन डू दैट इजीली. आई कैन make it like this so everybody can see me in a way. So you saw this. Okay, then I can use some other thing. NAD के साथ कर रहे थे. I will use my photo only because वरना फिर copyright का कोई issue ना करे मेरे पे. ठीक है, so I can create that in a bigger size. I can create it this way so people can see me and not my sister because we don't have a thing. Okay, मैंने मेरी बहन को कट कर दिया. So this is something that you can do. You can create frames. So there are a lot of elements. Understand that. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे Instagram stories में आपने ये वाला feature देखा होगा, ये वाला देखा होगा. Those guys are creating this from this. We had somebody who was saying कि stories भी create करनी. Okay, I will just show you. Okay, great. I will try to create. Which one do you like? Anybody has any opinion? कौन सा वाला करना चाहिए, कौन सा वाला कर सकते हैं? I will use this one. Okay. I will delete this image. See, this is here. They have used elements. Okay. There are a lot of elements like this. So this is for story mainly. Okay. So if somebody's birthday is there, so what is something that you write on birthday? Happy birthday के अलावा? Can you give me some text which I can write? पार्टी चाहिए. Okay. He is the okay. He is the birthday boy. ऐसा करके दिया. And then we will try to go to text. You will get a lot of text options here. Okay. आपको जो बनाना है बना सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर ये है हैव अ हैप्पी खांसा, मैंने दबा दिया. ठीक है, पार्टी ये बंदा देगा. ठीक है, अब ऊपर वाला टेक्स्ट था मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, मैं उसको डिलीट कर सकता हूँ आराम से. ठीक है, अभी जगह बन गई. अब ये अपन ने टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है, अपन ये वाला नीचे ले लेते हैं. ये वाला अपन थोड़ा सा ऐसे इसको रोटेट करते हैं. आई थिंक वी वोंट बी एबल टू रोटेट इट, पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन नॉर्मल केस में रोटेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसको ऐसे ही रखते हैं. ये वाला एलिमेंट ऊपर ले लेते हैं, पार्टी ये बंदा देगा. वी विल ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ ग्राफिक हियर. ओके, सो अगर तुम फोटोज में जाओगे, एलिमेंट्स में जाओगे, ठीक है, दीज आर द थिंग्स. कैन डू दिस. ओके, मैं kept it here, या ये वाला यूज कर लेते हैं. ये वाला सही है, बड़ा है थोड़ा सा. I'll go to uploads. I can upload photos from here. You can upload things from here. It is very easy. Desktop पे मेरे पास बहुत सारा सामान पड़ा रहता है. Downloads में भी बहुत सारा है. मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स में भी बहुत सारा है. ठीक है, ये पता नहीं क्या है. Okay, this is another youth conclave which is coming up. That's my session. ठीक है. So that what I will do is I will find a photo of me and one of my friends somewhere. ठीक है. या ये ले लेते हैं. किशोर काका, how many of you know किशोर काका? He is a good stand-up comedian. Okay. So you can do this kind of thing. Okay, मैं थोड़ा इनको बड़ा कर देता हूँ. थोड़ा ऐसा लगा. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए यू कैन हैव योर ओन ओपिनियन. लेकिन इफ यू सी, आवाज आ रहा है पीछे? यस, फोटो की जगह वीडियो भी डाल सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. अपन ये हटा देते हैं. ठीक है, वीडियोस में जाते हैं. मेरे पास तो वीडियोस नहीं है, तो एक मिनट कंट्रोल Z करते हैं. ये आ गया एलिमेंट आपका. ठीक है, वीडियोस का सेक्शन है. यहाँ पे साउंड का ऑप्शन है ही अंदर यार. अब मेरे को भी देखना पड़ेगा साउंड कहाँ से आया, लेकिन मैं सच्ची बताऊँ साउंड यहाँ से आया, ऊपर से. अब देख रहे हो? आर यू एबल टू हियर द साउंड? टेम्पलेट में था इसलिए साउंड आया. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल ट्राई टू डू इज वी विल ट्राई टू ऐड अ वीडियो. ठीक है, ये वीडियो ऐड कर दिया. यहाँ पे वीडियो चलना चाहिए. हाँ, it will load and then it will run. Okay, got it everyone? If yes, write boom. I'll just get water till that time. I have tea. I have a better thing. Just a second, I will just come. Okay, I'm back and I have my tea with me. Okay, so स्टोरीज बनाने का ये बेसिक तरीका है. ठीक है, यू कैन गो हियर, सर्च टेम्पलेट्स. ये अपन एक टेम्पलेट यूज कर रहा था, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी टेम्पलेट्स है जो आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो. ये बहुत सारी टेम्पलेट्स इनमें वीडियो फॉर्मेट में ही आती है. ठीक है, सो जैसे कोई पूछ रहा था कि भाई कौन कर सकते हैं क्या वीडियो में, अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं नहीं. सो दीज आर फ्यू टेम्पलेट्स व्हिच कम विद द वीडियो थिंग. सो व्हेन आई प्ले देम, ओपन देम, I think I will have to disable the sound first. Okay, I'll create a new one so that navigadi नवोदय है. Okay, समझ आ रहा है अभी तक सबको? Is it going, you are learning new thing or not? If you can say yes or no. Okay, I think great. If I think 10 people are interested out of 35 40 which are doing it, I think we are going in the right direction. Okay, so see what Instagram or Canva does most of the time, they create give you relevant stories also. So अभी जैसे कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, तो कोविड के टाइम के हिसाब से इनके पास स्टोरीज हैं अलग अलग. ठीक है, जो भी आपको चाहिए. सो अगर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग पे इनके पास देखो अलग अलग स्टोरीज उन्होंने बना के रखी हुई, विच यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज. ठीक है, क्योंकि लोग मल्टीपल स्टोरीज भी पोस्ट करते हैं. सो यू विल हैव टेम्पलेट्स आल्सो इन दिस. सो जब आप क्लिक करोगे ना इसमें, तो नीचे देखना यहाँ 1 of 6 लिखा हुआ है. तो बहुत सारी जगह ये सिंगल स्टोरी का सेट है और बहुत सारी जगह ये मल्टीपल स्टोरीज का. जैसे कोविड की गाइडलाइंस है, ये 7 स्टोरी का सेट है, आप देख रहे हो. फिर ये था, ये 6 स्टोरी का सेट है. आर यू एबल टू सी? So this is something where you can easily apply all 6. Okay, and then change it according to what your branding is, or you can just add your logos and then push it out. Simple. और ये जो एलिमेंट्स हैं ये सब एलिमेंट्स फ्री हैं अभी. ठीक है, और ये एलिमेंट्स भी यहाँ अवेलेबल है. अगर आप एलिमेंट्स में जाओगे, ठीक है, तो आपके पास फीचर्ड है. कोरोना वायरस से रिलेटेड भी आपके पास आइकन्स हैं. ठीक है, और इफ यू वांट ह्यूमंस, यू कैन जस्ट राइट ह्यूमंस. ठीक है, ये ऐसे ऐसे थोड़े थोड़े आ जाएंगे एलिमेंट्स. इसका एक अच्छा तरीका क्या है? फ्री पिक. ठीक है, दिस इज वेयर यू फ्री पिक गिव्स यू विंग्स, आई थिंक. ठीक है, सिल्वेट, सिंगल, डबल, जो भी चाहिए सब कुछ यहाँ से अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, और ये सिंपल आपको PNG भी फाइल आपको चाहिए होगी, ये मिल जाएगी यहाँ से. ठीक है, सो दिस इज समथिंग, फ्री पिक इज वेरी यूजफुल एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी इन द सेम सेट. सी, कोरोना वायरस से रिलेटेड है, When you click on this, it will give you more of those options. Okay. If you want people who are in office and working, office people, so you can just write office people here. See, these are all free. You can use anywhere, anytime, anything. If you see this graphic, you will see it being used on a lot and lot of websites just now. Okay, a lot of websites have gone into this thing. A whole website is there, I think, undraw.co. Okay, you can go to this website and you can also get illustrations from here. So these are only if people want to get humans in a way. Okay, and they want to represent something. Okay, so देखो एनालिटिक्स होता है या कुछ भी चीज होगी, ऐप डेटा, पब्लिश, पोस्ट पब्लिश, डिजाइनिंग टीम में हो आप लोग या कहीं भी हो, इफ यू आर इन सोशल मीडिया यू कैन यूज दिस. ओके, दिस इज undraw.co. ओके, यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. जैसे फ्री पिक में भी है स्टोरीज फ्री पिक. ठीक है, you go to stories.freepic.com, you will also get those kind of things there. Okay, different humans in different ways, so you can have in different elements. So this is one of the styles in which humans are there. This is a second style in which humans are there. You can change the color. Okay, so I think we will use the color of Hungrito, which is FF4049. Okay, so I got it, and then I can use all of these in my presentations which I am creating. Okay, and all this will be in PNG, SVG, all other kind of things can be downloaded. Okay, understood? Is everything okay with everybody? Have you got this new thing? Okay, so these are the places from which you can download things, and whenever you are doing a presentation, it will just beautify your presentation in a way. I will show you that part also. स्टोरीज का सबको क्लियर है? स्टोरीज कैसे बनानी है, क्या करना है? स्टोरीज के लिए कोई डाउट है किसी को? क्योंकि मैं एक एक ड्रैग ड्रॉप करके आपको एक स्टोरी बना के अब नहीं दिखाऊंगा, क्योंकि अपने पास टाइम उतना नहीं है. यस सर, नो सर, क्लियर. क्षमा, मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ, तुमने 3 चीजें लिखी है. श्यामा, okay, it's Shyama, sorry. Clear. Okay, great. Kalyani is also clear with what we are doing. Okay, done. So what I will do is I will show you some of the things which I have created so that you also get कि भाई ये आदमी हवा में नहीं फेंक रहा है. Last time we did a session of no cost designing, so I created the whole YouTube thumbnail from this. Okay, last page. Yes, Vidya, we will go to Snapchat filters also. Sure. So this is what I created. So this is everything is free, through free pick. So मैंने कोई template देखा, उसके बाद मैंने पीछे जो picture था वो उठाया, and then I had these logos from. How did I get these logos? It is simple. You go to Canva, you write Canva, you write logo, you write PNG, ठीक है, and then you get those things. Simple. PNG का मतलब क्या होता है? Any, is everybody clear with PNG or the transparent part? Okay, Vrishik is there. ठीक है, so I will show. This is a PNG file in a way and it is transparent. तो ये क्या, कोई भी आप एलिमेंट के ऊपर लगाओगे ना तो आपको कलर मैच नहीं करना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे है ना व्हाइट में बैकग्राउंड में होता है, ठीक है, या ये जैसे ये ट्रांसपेरेंट बैकग्राउंड है, सो ये कोई भी कलर पे लगाओगे ना तो ये लग जाएगा. ठीक है, बहुत सारी जगह क्या होता है कि वो बैकग्राउंड नहीं सेट होता है, तो उसकी वजह से जैसे ये है ना, ये जेपीजी है, इसका बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. ठीक है, ये ध्यान रखना. ये पूरा आपको स्क्वायर में बना हुआ है, तो ये कहीं भी डालोगे तो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सेट नहीं होगा उसका. इसकी वजह से लोगोज हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं कि भाई ट्रांसपेरेंट लोगोज मिले. ठीक है, ट्रांसपेरेंट लोगो से क्या होता है कि भाई आप कोई भी एलिमेंट पे डालोगे, कोई भी जगह डालोगे ना, वो सेट हो जाएंगे. जैसे मैंने जो बना के आपको बताया, इसके अंदर ये इनविजन में यहाँ भी डालूंगा ना तो भी सेट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इनविजन पीएनजी है. ठीक है, फ्री पिक भी पीएनजी है, विक्स भी पीएनजी है. ठीक है, यानी मेरे को अभी ये एलिमेंट रखें, मेरे को ये पीछे जो उनका बैकग्राउंड है जो मुझे हाथ में आ जाए, ठीक है, इसका कलर है, अब मैं ब्लू भी कर दूंगा ना, सिर्फ वो फ्री पिक वाला नहीं दिखेगा, लेकिन बाकी सब दिख जाएंगे. अगर इसका ये कर दिया तो भी सब लोग दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसका फायदा मेजर है कि भाई व्हेनेवर यू आर डाउनलोडिंग लोगोस, ट्राई टू गेट इट देम इन ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, जिसकी वजह से यू कैन सेट देम एनीवेयर इन द डिजाइन दैट यू वांट. ओके, or else what will happen is you will have to play with those colors only at the end of the day, which are complementary to what logo you are using in that way. Okay, I used white because white gives a better reflection than anybody else. Okay, so this is how you create the whole thing. of logo. You will have all the templates for if you want to create YouTube thumbnail. You will have templates of different kind. So these are the music templates which are there. Okay. Other thing that before creating any kind of post, what practice I recently do is best YouTube thumbnail बैकग्राउंड. ठीक है, ये कर दिया आपने, तो वहाँ है ना आर्टिकल्स आ जाएंगे, हाउ टू क्रिएट बेस्ट यूट्यूब थंबनेल डिजाइन. ठीक है, अब ये आप है ना, ये आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको आइडिया ज्यादा आएगा कि अगर मैं थंबनेल बना रहा हूँ तो ये चीजें बेसिक चीजें होती है. जैसे थंबनेल के अंदर अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको फॉन्ट साइज बड़ा रखना होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो लोगों को दिखे. बहुत बार अपन जो सेकेंडरी टेक्स्ट होता है वो भी अपन डाल देते हैं. ओके, so those kind of things, so remember those parts also. Okay, this is how I study. So आप देखोगे बेस्ट, how to create best YouTube thumbnail, include title text to deliver context. तो ये सबसे बड़ा title text. ठीक है, study with me, top cover. Okay, and other things they will just show you that. Try to do this kind of things which will always increase your designing skills. Okay, let us move on to presentations, and so that you can is story part clear with everybody? If yes, you can write yes. If no, you can write no. I will repeat again. Great. I think a lot of people are writing yes, which is a good sign. Okay, so what we will move on to is creating presentations. Okay, so let me just marketing in documents. Yeah. Okay, so presentation is also same. We will try to get templates in the first place and create presentations. What I do generally is we have a black present. The presentation that you are currently seeing is this one. Okay, technically we have just 2 minutes left, but I think Suraj gave us permission to run a bit more. If you all are happy with the things that we are doing, I will recommend you to stay on, or else we are very sorry. So see, this is the presentation that we created. I have created the whole thing in Canva. All these elements are editable. You see, all of them. The icons which you are seeing are taken from FreePic, the social media icons. How? If you go to FreePic, okay, okay, and then I click on. So you'll get all the icons. ठीक है, और मेजरली आइकन सेम फैमिली से होने चाहिए. ठीक है, so जैसे अगर मैं कहूँ, a lot of people what they do is they will use one of these icon, okay, and then use one of these icons. so ये सेम फैमिली से नहीं, ये 12 आइटम सेम फैमिली से, ये सेम फैमिली, ये सेम फैमिली, ये सेम फैमिली. so if you do these small things, it will always help you. okay, how this will help you is कि आपका जो भी कंटेंट होगा, जो भी आपने लिखा हुआ है, वो ज्यादा चमक के आता है, लोगों का ध्यान ये सब चीजों पे नहीं होगा. ठीक है, डिजाइन का बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि भाई गलतियां बहुत जल्दी दिख जाती है. ठीक है, लेकिन जब कुछ अच्छा होता है ना, वो सटली चला जाता है, किसी को पता नहीं चलता है. अगर वो जा रहा है अच्छा है तो ही वो अच्छा है, इसलिए वो चला जा रहा है. गलतियां हमेशा आगे आके दिखेगी. अगर आपने ये एक यूज किया हुआ है स्नैपचैट के लिए, और फिर इंस्टाग्राम के लिए आप ये वाला यूज कर रहे हो, या कहाँ है इंस्टाग्राम, तो लोगों को दिख जाएगा यार ये गोल्डन था, ये इन्होंने ये ब्लू यूज करा है. या तो फिर यहाँ देख रहे हो कि आप फिल करके फेसबुक दिख रहा है, और यहाँ पे लिंक्डइन फिल हुआ नहीं है. तो अगर ये दोनों अगल बगल में पड़े होंगे तो हमेशा सबको लगेगा यार ये क्या चल रहा है. ठीक है, वो आंखों में जब चीजें लगती है ना, तो वो बहुत खराब है. तो ट्राई नॉट टू डू दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, I won't be able to teach you all of the designing in this 1 hour, but these are some basic things. Okay, so all of these are images at the end of the day. See, आप देख रहे हो कितना बड़ा इमेज है, कैसे सेट किया हुआ है. इमेज में भी पैसा लाया था ही, लेकिन we wanted to stay with the fonts and everything that we do, so we just cut it down. Okay, so there's a long story. Then picture अभी बाकी है and those kind of things, because I love movies. So last में जब any questions आएगा ना, तब ये होता है डायलॉग, हाँ तो बोल क्या समस्या है तेरा, and then may the force be with you. वैसा. So this is all created in Canva. These are presentations. Okay, this is where we are. So there are a lot of options. See, one is simple presentation which are there, then company presentations are there, marketing presentations, education presentations are there, startup presentations are there, creative presentation, animated, whatever you want, business and technology, you will get something or other than in this. Okay, and most of them have if you click on any of the templates, there will be a lot of more templates in this. If I create professional presentation, see there are so many templates, and each of these template has at least 10 slides. Okay, this is a 25 slider, so you will get all the kind of slides that you want to create. Dekh rahe ho? These are all just clickable things. You just click on this, you click here. I am editing this just for fun so that these guys understand it, and if it goes out, it's good. ठीक है, तो अब ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया. So what I will do is I will just make it a bit more longer. ठीक है, कि सेट हो जाए. I can decrease the font size. 14 तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया छोटा. ठीक है, 48 तक सब कुछ सेट है. ठीक है, 48 में और छोटा करेंगे तो ये 4 लाइन में सब कुछ सेट हो रहा है. Okay, are you all able to get it? You can just shift it here and there. Okay, I can change this. If I take this, add as a new page. Okay, this is an image. I can delete that image. Okay, Control Z. क्योंकि image delete करा तो फिर आप लोग को लगेगा क्या करा. So we can add other elements also, whichever we like. Okay, I like black as a color. That's why आप कोई भी चीज देखोगे तो black होगा. Stickers भी add कर सकते हो. ये आपको चार्ट ऐड करना है, चार्ट ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आई विल ऐड वन एट द बॉटम एंड सो आई विल शो यू. ठीक है, चार्ट डाल दिया. यू कैन फिल द टेबल. ओके, व्हाट इज आइटम 1, आइटम 2, ब्रेड बटर जैम, एंड व्हाट इज द फोर्थ थिंग दैट इज देयर इन लाइफ. ब्रेड बटर जैम और क्या होता है? चीज. ठीक है, ओह सॉरी, आइटम्स ऐड हो गए. ठीक है, निकल जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग इट? So you can justify what is blue, what is this, and those kind of things. Okay, you can paste data from the spreadsheet and it will automatically take that. These are row. We can create line charts also. Okay, we can create area charts also. We can create other things also. Donut is also option. Okay, कि percentage कितना कितना है किस किसका. Okay, a lot of other things can be created. This is just so that if whenever you create your presentations, people know that it is good. Okay, in that way, and whatever you are presenting, it will just add value to the whole thing. You will get all the options here of charts. There are color combinations also which are there. There are different kind of charts. See, few of them will be paid, but most of them are free. You can use them. It's very easy. Okay, let's come back to the presentations templates. Okay, so that is one template which is there in the professional. Then if you want to some color coded thing, these are the things you can use any of these. Okay, so this is for templates. There are video templates also which are available in the same way that we are seeing. Okay, Prachi, what we can do is when you are here, okay, and I am clicking on no cost designing. So on the top right, we get an option to download it. Okay, other thing is Canva creates files which are, I think, very heavy in nature in the first place. So I can download it in different formats. So I can create a PDF with all the pages in one, all pages together, or I can create JPEGs also. Different files will be there, whichever I like. Okay, I can create it in video format also, GIF also, and those kind of things. But I will go with PDF, which is standard. And when I click on download, it will start downloading it. Okay. It's simple. It's very simple in that way. Okay. ये डाउनलोड होंगे 5.8 MB की बनी, लेकिन ये पूरी ब्लैक. अगर मैं जाऊंगा आई लव PDF पे, ठीक है, this is what my normal practice is. After I download things from Canva, okay, I do compress the PDFs which are there, which I think is a good practice from my end, because this is a heavy one. अगर मैं compress कर दूंगा, so see the magic happening. See, 446 KB का ही हुआ है. ठीक है, वो डाउनलोड हो गया. इट इज ऑन द सेम क्वालिटी. So कभी भी आपको presentation देनी हो कहीं भी, so use this whenever you download things from Canva. Canva will be a much more heavier thing in the first place, because उनको ऐसा है कि आपको तो भाई billboard बनाने हैं ये presentations के, वैसा so वो हिसाब से आपको presentation करके देगा, लेकिन most of the times I think it is not required in the first place. Okay, so you can use I love PDF in that way. Okay, we were here. Okay, and there are different kind of presentations. I think this is a video one. So what you can see is, let us apply all 19 pages. Okay, and then see them how they are. Okay, see, these are elements are there. That's why it is video. See on the right hand side, you can change these things. ओके ये छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स हैं जो आप लोग ऐड कर सकते हो आपकी अगर मर्जी होगी तो, वरना आप रिमूव भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशंस ऑलरेडी सेट, टेम्पलेट्स आर ऑलरेडी देयर, ठीक है, और आप लोग ये यूज़ कर सकते हो, तो आपका यानी नेचुरल लोगों से तो, नॉर्मल लोगों से तो प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स आपकी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी जब भी आप ये सब चीज़ें यूज़ करोगे, ठीक है. एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू आस्क, हिट मी अप. I am almost done with the things which are there, because Canva is a tool. This is just a hand holding thing. We did another session which was in a 1.5 hour session. If you go to YouTube, okay, and you write no cost design, okay, write it there. You will find one that we did. Oh, नीचे चला गया ये वाला, ठीक है. So you can do that. It was a 1.5 hour thing. We taught Canva in that, which I think you all have done. ठीक है. Other thing that was there is how can I remove one slide? And yeah, it is very easy. Okay, see, removing slide and those kind of things. It's just a delete button is there. Slide delete हो गई. ठीक है. अब मेरे को ये पूरा स्लाइड कॉपी करके कहीं नीचे ले जाना है, ऊपर ले जाना है, वो सब कर सकता हूँ मैं पूरा कॉपी करके. ठीक है, मैं नीचे गया, मैंने यहाँ दबाया कि भाई कॉपी करो, ठीक है. ये सब एलिमेंट्स मेरे को डिलीट कर देना, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, मेरे को ये भी नहीं चाहिए. ब्लैंक स्लाइड आ गई, मैंने कॉपी पेस्ट करा तो मेरा पूरा आ गया काम जो भी वहाँ था, ठीक है. अब अगर इसको मेरे को ऊपर ले जाना है तो इट इज जस्ट मूव अप मूव अप मूव अप, wherever I want to do I can move it up. Understood? Okay, if yes, click on yes. If you think we have added some value to your time in last 1 hour, please hit yes, so that it will be much more satisfying for us. Okay, no, Shama, we cannot download PPT file from this. You have to editable files are not there in that way. You can create, you have to edit it here only. What you can do is, if you are doing it in groups, so suppose what happens is most of the times your projects are in group, you can share it here and you can give them editable thing. So just now I have created a group of Net Service, which is my company, and there are around 30 members in this whole things that we do. I can give them or each one of them a edit access, or I can copy this link and share it with them, whichever I want. So अगर मेरे को सूरज को भेजना है तो मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, जैसे ये वाला मैं तुम सबको भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है. सॉरी, तुम में से किसी को भी एडिट करना होगा, ये कैनवा में अकाउंट बना के आप लोग एडिट कर सकते हो. आपके जिम्मेदारी, आपको जो बनाना है ये टेम्पलेट्स आप बनाओ and you can edit them. Two people cannot edit at the same time, okay, but if you want to share it with people, then you always can. Yes, you can add people. Shivangi is asking. Shivangi, Prachi, we will come on to the movie posters also. Just a second. So what will happen is, this is Net Service, which is my team. Okay. So we go to this thing. Okay, which is search template will be there. Okay. Teams are there. Sales team is there. Net Sales team is there. NCBN team is there. Okay. I am in Net Sales team. Here I will get option. So I will go to people. I can send the invite link and then get people on board. मैं नीचे इसलिए नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ क्योंकि पूरा टीम मेंबर्स का ईमेल आईडी और वो सब चीज होगी, which is not good. Okay. How to use this template in PowerPoint? Tanmay is asking. Tanmay, we cannot use these templates in PowerPoint. Okay. So somebody was doing for movie posters. If you go to posters, okay, you will get options. Okay. फिर अब इसके ऊपर से है कि आपको ये ऑप्शंस में से खुद लेना है या आपको खुद से क्रिएट करना है, ठीक है. मूवी का पोस्टर ऐसा है कि इट इज अप टू यू व्हाट यू वांट टू क्रिएट. सो इफ यू गो एंड गेट सम इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम पिंटरेस्ट, ओके, जैसे पिंटरेस्ट में मूवी के पोस्टर्स थे, वी विल डू मूवी पोस्टर्स, ठीक है. So you can go create these kind of images and those kind of things. It is up to you how you want to do. ठीक है, जैसे 1 2 3 4 ये 4 इमेजेस हैं, ठीक है। सो अगर ये क्रिएट करना है अपने को तो क्या होगा कि भाई कोई एक बेस ले लेंगे अपन, ठीक है। एंड उतना परफेक्ट नहीं बनेगा लेकिन वी विल बी समवेयर नियर। ओके, सो व्हाट विल वी डू इज वी विल फर्स्ट ऐड बैकग्राउंड कलर, ठीक है, विच इज एसेंशियल इन अ वे। ठीक है, हम ये कुछ ऐसा टेक्स्ट ले लेते हैं। Texture, we will try to take a texture which is good enough. Okay, I taken this texture. What I will do is I will try to create a grid. अगर आप देखोगे तो ग्रिड ही है वहाँ पे। अगर ये पोस्टर की बात करूँ तो ये पोस्टर में 1 2 3 4 pictures are there and there is a grid. Okay, so what we will try to do is get 1 2 3 का grid है, ठीक है। 4 का grid 1 2 3 4, yeah, see this is a 4 का grid. Just make it a bit short, small, and then थोड़ा सा वाइड, थोड़ा नीचे, ठीक है। अब मुझे ये है कि भाई इसके अंदर स्पेसिंग हो पाएगा, ग्रिड का भी स्पेसिंग हो सकता है, ठीक है। मैंने ग्रिड का स्पेसिंग कर दिया। तो बैकग्राउंड कलर है मेरा, उसमें मुझे इफेक्ट्स देने होंगे तो आई कैन गिव इफेक्ट्स, ठीक है। जैसे ड्यूअल टोन के इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, थोड़ा आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे ना आप लोग को आइडिया आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो सॉरी नेट थोड़ा स्लो है, ठीक है। ये मैंने इफेक्ट दे दिया और अप्लाई कर दिया। मैंने को पता नहीं मैंने क्या दिया लेकिन ठीक है। I go to elements and I go to uploads. Okay, I'll just drag and drop few images there. Sorry, what did I do? ठीक है, so I'm adding this image in one of the images, ठीक है, and then we will shift it here. Other image we will do this, ठीक है। We'll get that image somewhere here and click it. Okay, you can get these things. मैं थोड़ा सा नीचे जाऊँगा, I can do this image. I will upload this image, ठीक है। This is here, ऋत्विज का इमेज है, ऋत्विज का इमेज डाल दिया, ठीक है। तुमने इमेजेस ऐड कर दी। अब यू नीड अ पीएनजी फोटो विच इज देयर हियर। सो जैसे ये बहन आ रही हैं, सो वी विल गो टू एलिमेंट्स, वी हैव दिस फ्री, वी हैव दिस। सी ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपको बनानी पड़ेगी कभी ना कभी। पीएनजी वीएनजी बनानी है तो समथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट। आई विल जस्ट मेक इट अ बिट स्मॉल, ठीक है, ठीक है। ये थोड़ा इमेजेस आपको ऐसे सेट करनी है, आपको लानी है जो सही दिखे। यहाँ पे इतना अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन देन आई कैन ऐड टेक्स्ट। ये बहुत ही देसी वर्जन है व्हाट एवर वी वर डूइंग उसका, लेकिन इट इज जस्ट टू शो दैट इफ यू गिव सम टाइम यू विल बी गुड एट इट, वैसा, ठीक है। आई एम एडिंग टेक्स्ट हियर, दिस इज टेस्टिंग, ठीक है। देख रहे हो टैब मारने से क्या हो रहा है? ओके, डिड यू लाइक इट, ठीक। So this is what you can do. So मेरा बहुत ही देसी version है, but if somebody has a good understanding and good timeline on their hand, they can always use this kind of things, which are easy. Okay. So आप inspiration लेके आप आराम से ये सब चीजें बना सकते हैं. It is up to you what you want to do. ठीक है. Is this okay with everybody? Prachi, did it solve your thing in the first place? Okay, good. So Suraj has sent a link for feedback. Okay, I think it will be great if you all can fill that feedback form. And if you have any questions, please put them in Q&A segment, or else I will ask Suraj to conclude the session. And if you want to stay in touch, I'll just go to the last slide. You can find me anywhere with the SahilShah0801 is my ID. I am very active on Instagram and LinkedIn. On Twitter, you will just find me retweeting stuff. We are active as NetSavis on all major platforms. You can find us there. You can take a screenshot of this and use it anywhere. If you write anywhere Salsha001, you will find me. If you write anywhere Hungrito, you will find Hungrito. You will find NetSavis with NETSAVVIES. Over to you, Suraj. Thanks a lot for having me here.
Thank you so much, Sahil. Yeah, I think everyone has learned something new. They have added something to their knowledge. So now, before we conclude, I just want to again highlight one more thing that guys, we are having this contest for you all. That the things which you have learned in this webinar, you can just try to reenact them, work on them, and then maybe post them on your social media, tagging us at academics.in on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, anywhere. You can just post this stuff, and we will share this with Sahil. And based on your entries, based on your designs, we'll be selecting two participants who will be awarded with some of the vouchers or maybe some of the other gifts available, right? And apart from this, we have already shared this feedback form with you all. So please fill in this. Maybe this would help us to understand which are the other topics which you want to learn in. Do you want to learn more about graphic designing? Because this was a very short session, as Sahil kept on mentioning that we really need more time to understand this graphic designing and this creative world. So definitely if we see more people interested in graphic designing, then we would like try to conduct more webinars, maybe a series of workshops wherein you get some projects, then again come and attend, learn more things, then again try to implicate them. I think that would be something that everyone would learn and help you grow. So that's all from our end. If there are any queries, if any questions, you can write us on academic support at academics.in. I'll quickly drop that email ID as well in this chat box. And if you have any other queries, please write us on our social media as well if you want to. So that's all from our end.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Suraj, for having me here. Guys, they are trying to do some wonderful work in this field of education. So do follow them, and thanks a lot for having me. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Yeah. Stay safe, everyone.